Before your hands lose their grip, before your back starts to ache, it's usually your legs that weaken first. As we age, many of us notice small signs. Stairs feel steeper, long walks feel shorter, and getting up from a chair takes a little more effort than it used to. This gradual decline isn't just aging. It's a condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, and it tends to start in the lower body. Why the legs first? Because they carry the most weight, do the most work, and rely on a combination of strength, circulation balance, and nerve function, all of which begin to decline after 60. Weak legs don't just make life harder. They increase your risk of falls, fractures, and losing your independence. The good news, you can take back control. While no food can turn back the clock, certain nutrients can help slow muscle loss, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and even rebuild strength in your legs naturally. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 everyday foods that support strong, steady legs after 60. From leafy greens to powerful proteins. We'll walk you through what to eat and why it matters. Stay until the end, because food number 6 is often overlooked, yet it may just be the simplest way to prevent your next fall. Which of these foods are already on your plate? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else stay steady, mobile, and independent. And if you care about aging with confidence, strength, and freedom, don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Wise, where we share weekly advice tailored just for you. 1. Spinach, the leafy green that powers your legs. It might not look like much, but spinach is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for leg strength. This humble green is packed with nutrients that directly support your muscles, nerves, and circulation, all key elements in keeping your legs stable and strong. First, there's magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles contract and relax properly. Low magnesium levels are common in older adults and can lead to cramping, tightness, and overall weakness, especially in the legs. Spinach is also rich in iron, which helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your muscles, boosting their endurance and function. But one of spinach's most underrated benefits comes from its natural nitrates. These compounds help widen blood vessels, improving blood flow to your legs, which means more oxygen and nutrients where your muscles need it most. Better circulation means more energy, less fatigue, and improved stability as you walk or climb stairs. Let me introduce Alice, a 69-year-old retired teacher from Michigan. She loved gardening, but began struggling with leg fatigue that forced her to sit down every few minutes. After adding a cup of sautéed spinach to her dinner 3 times a week, she noticed a dramatic change. Within a month, she was back to tending her garden for hours without needing to rest. Spinach is easy to add to almost any meal. Stir it into scrambled eggs, toss it in a smoothie, or serve it as a side with dinner. A few handfuls a few times a week can go a long way in keeping your legs energized, mobile, and ready to carry you through each day. 2. Eggs, the complete protein that fuels muscle repair. Eggs may be small, but when it comes to supporting muscle health, especially in your legs, they pack a powerful punch. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source that helps your body repair and rebuild muscle tissue with every bite. This is especially important for seniors, since age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, accelerates after 60. Regularly consuming high-quality protein helps slow that process, allowing your muscles to stay active, supportive, and less prone to injury. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient that supports nerve signaling and coordination, both of which are crucial for stable walking and strong legs. Let's not forget vitamin D found in the yolk. This vitamin improves calcium absorption and plays a key role in bone density and muscle function. Many older adults are vitamin D deficient, especially those who spend less time in the sun, which increases their risk of both muscle weakness and fractures. Now, meet Frank, a 74-year-old former delivery driver from Florida. He used to skip breakfast or just grab coffee and toast, but after his doctor suggested adding 2 eggs in the morning, Frank started feeling more energized and balanced. "I don't wobble as much when I get up," he shared. "That egg sandwich is my secret weapon." Eggs are versatile, affordable, and easy to prepare. Boil them, scramble them, or poach them. Pair them with toast, vegetables, or Greek yogurt. Even just 1 egg a day can give your legs the protein they need to move stronger, longer. 3. Salmon, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse for legs. If there's one food that checks all the boxes for leg strength, it's salmon. This fatty fish is rich in high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and B12. A powerful combination that helps protect aging muscles, ease inflammation, and support the nerves and bones that keep your legs strong. Let's start with omega-3s. These healthy fats help fight chronic inflammation, which is one of the hidden reasons many seniors experience muscle pain, stiffness, and weakness. By reducing inflammation, salmon helps your muscles recover faster and stay functional longer, especially in your legs, which bear the weight of your daily life. Then there's the protein. Salmon offers all essential amino acids your muscles need to grow, repair, and maintain mass. And since leg muscles are among the largest in the body, keeping them fed with high-quality protein is key to mobility and balance as we age. Don't forget about vitamin D, another nutrient many older adults lack. Without enough vitamin D, your bones weaken your muscles, tire faster, and your balance becomes more unstable. Just a few servings of salmon a week can help replenish those stores naturally. Let's meet Eleanor, 72, from Oregon. She used to rely on processed meats, bacon, sausage deli, slices for quick meals, but constant knee pain and leg soreness made it hard to go on her morning walks. Her doctor suggested trying salmon twice a week instead. Within a month, she reported less swelling, smoother steps, and even better sleep. Salmon is delicious, versatile, and easy to prepare. Bake it with herbs, grill it with lemon, or try canned wild salmon for salads and wraps. However you enjoy it, this one fish could be your leg's best friend. 4. Beans, the plant-based protein that supports endurance. When it comes to leg strength, beans offer more benefits than most people realize. These humble legumes are packed with plant-based protein fiber, potassium, and iron, a powerful mix that helps maintain muscle mass, improve energy levels, and reduce the fatigue that often holds seniors back. Let's begin with the protein. While not animal-based, the protein in beans helps rebuild and maintain muscle tissue, especially when eaten regularly. For older adults who are cutting back on meat, beans offer an affordable, easy-to-digest way to get the amino acids muscles need to stay strong. Then there's potassium, a mineral essential for preventing leg cramps and regulating muscle contractions. Combined with magnesium, which some beans also contain, potassium keeps your muscles flexible and helps avoid the stiffness and twitching that can disrupt sleep and daily movement. The fiber in beans is another hidden hero. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which means more sustained energy and less of the mid-afternoon crashes that leave your legs feeling heavy. Plus, fiber supports gut health, which in turn improves nutrient absorption, allowing your body to make the most of the calcium, protein, and iron you eat. And speaking of iron, it's vital for producing red blood cells that carry oxygen to your muscles. Low iron levels can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and weak legs. For seniors, even mild iron deficiency can make everyday activities feel twice as hard. Let's take Henry, 75, from Ohio. After dealing with frequent muscle soreness and poor energy, he started adding black beans or lentils to his lunch several times a week. Within weeks, he noticed fewer cramps and more stamina during his daily walks. "I didn't expect something so simple to work," he said. "Beans are easy to add to soups, salads, grain bowls, or even mashed into spreads. From lentils to kidney beans to chickpeas, you've got options, and every bite helps keep your legs moving, strong." 5. Greek yogurt, the creamy support for muscle and bone. Greek yogurt is more than just a tasty snack. It's one of the most senior-friendly foods for supporting both muscle strength and bone stability. And when it comes to keeping your legs strong, this protein-packed powerhouse deserves a place on your plate. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt goes through an extra straining process, leaving behind a thick, creamy product that's rich in both whey and casein proteins. This dual-action combo gives you the best of both worlds: whey protein for quick muscle repair and casein for longer-lasting protection against muscle breakdown. But protein is only part of the story. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, a mineral essential for bone density, especially in the legs, which carry your body weight every single day. Without enough calcium, your bones become more brittle, increasing the risk of fractures and mobility issues. And thanks to its natural probiotics, Greek yogurt supports digestion too, helping your body better absorb the nutrients it needs to support strong muscles and bones. Meet Patricia, 70, from New Jersey. She had been skipping breakfast and snacking on pastries until a friend suggested switching to a bowl of Greek yogurt with fruit and walnuts. After just 2 weeks, Patricia said she had fewer leg aches and more energy during her walks. "It feels like I'm feeding my legs what they actually need," she smiled. Greek yogurt is simple, satisfying, and endlessly versatile. Enjoy it plain, mix it with berries and oats, or use it as a base for smoothies and dips. However you eat it, this creamy classic can help protect the strength beneath your feet. 6. Bananas, the quick fuel for active legs. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to keep your legs moving, look no further than the humble banana. This everyday fruit is a potent source of quick energy, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which play key roles in supporting muscle function, circulation, and endurance. Let's start with carbohydrates. Bananas provide natural, easily digestible sugars that give your body a steady stream of energy. Unlike processed snacks that spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling drained, bananas offer sustained fuel, making them a great option before or after a walk, workout, or busy day. Then there's potassium, one of the most important electrolytes for seniors. It helps regulate fluid balance, nerve function, and prevents muscle cramps, especially those annoying nighttime spasms that can keep you from getting restful sleep. Paired with magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation, bananas help your legs move smoothly and avoid stiffness. Add in vitamin B6, and you've got a trifecta. B6 helps produce red blood cells and improves oxygen delivery to your muscles, which means more endurance and less fatigue. It also supports nerve communication, which is essential for coordination and balance. Take Dora, 73, from Alabama. She'd been avoiding bananas thinking they were too sugary. But after adding one banana to her breakfast each day, she noticed fewer cramps, more energy on her morning walks, and even better digestion. "Turns out it's the perfect fuel for my legs," she said. "Bananas are easy to grab, easy to chew, and easy to love. Enjoy them, plain slice them over oatmeal, or pair them with Greek yogurt or peanut butter. However you eat them, these yellow powerhouses are a sweet step towards stronger, more active legs." 7. Water, the simple secret to muscle and leg health. It may not be as exciting as salmon or spinach, but water is one of the most overlooked yet essential nutrients for strong, healthy legs. Hydration affects nearly every function in your body, and when you're not drinking enough, your muscles and joints are among the first to suffer. Why is water so important for your legs? For one, it helps transport nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and oxygen to your muscle cells. Without proper hydration, these nutrients can't get where they need to go, leading to cramping, stiffness, and fatigue, especially in the lower body, where circulation is already a challenge for many older adults. Water also lubricates your joints, helping you move with less friction and pain. And it supports healthy blood volume, which improves circulation to your legs and feet, essential for anyone dealing with cold limbs, tingling, or poor endurance. Meet Walter, 76, from Arizona. He rarely drank water, relying mostly on coffee and soda. After his doctor recommended increasing his water intake, Walter started carrying a refillable bottle with him. Within 2 weeks, his frequent calf cramps decreased and his legs felt less heavy by the end of each day. Aim to drink small amounts of water consistently throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Thirst is often a late sign of dehydration. Keep a glass by your bedside, sip during meals, and consider adding lemon or cucumber for extra flavor if plain water feels boring. Your muscles are 75% water, so if you want your legs to stay energized, balanced, and pain-free, don't forget to drink up. Conclusion: strong legs, strong life. Your legs carry more than your weight. They carry your freedom. When they're strong, you move with confidence, live independently, and keep doing the things you love. But when they weaken, everything becomes harder. The good news: you can fight back, starting with what's on your plate, from spinach and salmon to bananas and water. These 7 simple foods give your legs the strength, circulation, and support they need to keep going strong. This isn't about overhauling your diet overnight. It's about adding one small habit at a time. A banana in the morning, a bowl of Greek yogurt, a few extra glasses of water. Little steps that protect the steps you take each day. Which of these foods will you try this week? Let us know in the comments. Your story might help someone else stay steady and strong. If this video helped you, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Senior Health Wise for weekly tips that help you move better, live longer, and age on your own terms. Strong legs mean a strong life. Let's keep walking forward together. And if this video helped you rethink your routine, leave a comment below and tell us your plan. You might inspire someone else to stay strong, mobile, and independent just like you. Share this video with a friend, a sibling, or a neighbor who might be struggling with leg strength or balance. And most of all, subscribe to Senior Healthwise for weekly advice designed just for seniors who want to age well. Live fully and walk through life with strength.